Welcome to Slide Egg. Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning sea wave animation using just PowerPoint. It's going to look amazing, and I'll walk you through every step. So let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and insert the image you want to use. Once it's placed on the slide, right-click on it and select Cut. Now right-click anywhere on the slide and choose Format Background. In the panel that appears, select Picture or Texture Fill, then click Clipboard. This will paste the image as your slide's background. Next, let's create the wave effect. Grab the rectangle shape from the Insert menu and draw it on your slide. Once you have your first shape, duplicate it 3 more times, so you end up with 4 identical rectangles. Now click on one of the shapes, go to Shape Effects, and select Soft Edges. Set the soft edge to around 14 pt. This gives the wave a smooth, flowing look. To make all the shapes match, go to the Home tab and click on Format Painter, then click on the other shapes to apply the same soft edge effect. Once that's done, arrange the shapes so they align nicely across your slide. Now let's blend the shapes with the background. Select all the shapes and choose Slide Background Fill. This makes each shape display part of your background image, giving it a cool, seamless look. Next up, animation. Start with the first shape, go to the Animations tab, and choose the Grow Shrink effect. Now open the animation pane, set it to start with previous, and make the duration 5 seconds. Click the drop-down arrow and select Effect Options. In the window that pops up, set both the start and end smoothness to 1 second, check Auto Reverse, and set the animation to continue until the end of the slide. Also, change the grow size to 175%. Click OK when you're done. Now let's add a second animation. Go back to Add Animation and choose the line motion path. Adjust the line to move the shape in the direction you want. Again, set it to start with previous, change the duration to 2.25 seconds, and go into Effect Options. Set the start and end to 1 second. Turn on Auto Reverse and make it run until the end of the slide. Now, just like before, use the Animation Painter to apply both animations to all the shapes. Once you've done that, go into the animation pane and rearrange the last 2 animations by dragging them up so the sequence flows smoothly. Then, for a little variation, select the second shape's animation, go into the settings, and change the grow size to 150%. Repeat this process for each shape, adjusting the size to make the waves look more dynamic. To finish the wave motion, set a delay for each shape. First shape, 0.20 seconds. Second shape, 0.30 seconds. Third shape, 0.40 seconds. Now hit play and you'll see a beautiful flowing wave effect. Let's add a bit more depth. Insert another image and send it to the back so it appears behind your animated shapes. Go to the Animations tab and choose the Grow Shrink effect. Set it to start with previous. Make the duration 6 seconds and add a delay of 0.25 seconds. In Effect Options, set the grow size to 110% and change the smooth start and end to 1.2 seconds. Click OK to save the settings. To transition this image out, add a fade out animation. Make it start with previous, set a delay of 2.5 seconds, and a duration of 4.3 seconds. Now for a fun touch, let's add a boat. Insert a vector image of a boat and head back to the Animations tab. Choose the line animation and drag the path so the boat moves smoothly from one side to the other. Adjust the start point and end point to fit your slide perfectly. Set it to start with previous, duration 6 seconds and no delay. Open Effect Options, turn on Smooth Start and Smooth End with 1 second values, check auto reverse, and let it run until the end of the slide. Now add a teeter animation to the boat to give it a subtle rocking effect. Use the same settings as before for a smooth loop. Let's add some text now. Insert a text box, type your message, and choose a font style that fits your theme. Then, duplicate the text and make any edits you want. Add the wipe animation to your text. Set the direction to from right, start it with previous, and set the duration to 4 seconds. Add another animation by clicking Add Animation and again select the wipe effect. This time set the direction to from left. Click with previous, set the duration to 5.75 seconds, and add a delay of 6.20 seconds. Now add a second animation to the same text. You can repeat this step for additional text, adjusting timing as needed to sync everything beautifully. And finally, bring the boat image to the front so it appears above everything else. As we reach the final step, let's give our boat a nice, realistic shadow to complete the scene. Start by selecting the boat. Now duplicate it. This copy will become our shadow. With the duplicate selected, head over to the Picture Format tab, click on Rotate, and choose Flip Vertical. Now gently move the flipped boat down, placing it right beneath the original, just like a reflection on the water. To make it look more like a shadow, open the Format options, then go to Picture Corrections. Here, bring the sharpness all the way down to 100 and do the same for the brightness. Set that to 100 too. It's starting to look great. Now adjust the transparency until the shadow blends in perfectly with the waves. And that's it. You've just completed a beautiful sea wave animation in PowerPoint with a touch of realism. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Slide Egg for more creative PowerPoint ideas. See you in the next video.